One day, not long from now, these scientists hope to see the monster directly by linking observatories around the world in a giant telescope powerful enough to peer deep into the center of the galaxy. What they will see is a dark spectre framed by flashes of light. These are just flares compared with the monumental eruptions of its past.
Our black hole had a wild teenage life, I'm pretty sure of that. It probably had jets, it threw lots of matter out, it had a grand old time, and now it's decayed into the old folks' home of the galaxy.
But what would it take for the monster of the Milky Way to awaken? Could explosive jets of energy once again blast across our galaxy? The watch is on at the very ends of the Earth. Astronomers have come to the South Pole to monitor radio signals from the galactic center. They can see signs of a disaster in the making. A vast ring of gas is looming just beyond the Milky Way's central black hole. In time, it will accumulate 300 million suns worth. When the ring reaches a tipping point, it will begin to funnel into a second ring that orbits close to the center. The inner ring will condense into a giant cloud. Within it, a storm of new stars will be born. Then, the gas cloud will begin to spiral down into the grasp of the black hole. When the feasting starts, the eruption will be visible far beyond our galaxy. Our galaxy will survive its black hole's upcoming feast, but it isn't likely to survive a threat further down the road: galactic cannibalism.
Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is not immune from these colliding galaxy scenarios. We've got neighbors. We're falling towards each other. And one day we will collide.
Even now, the end of our galaxy is approaching. Our giant neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is charging toward us. Knowing the galaxy's dimensions, flight paths, and the laws of gravity, scientists can predict how the clash of titans will unfold.
What our simulations show is what could happen basically in quite a few billion years from now, when the two galaxies will actually approach each other and merge.
First, the galaxies will circle and entwine, ripping each other apart.
Imagine what that might look like from another galaxy. They'll see two grand, beautiful spiral galaxies moving towards each other, slowly losing their shape. They'll see new avenues where stars and gas can funnel down towards this newly formed center, feeding this reborn monster.
The collision will send a blizzard of stars and gas billions of kilometers into space. Some will shoot toward the crowded core of the new galaxy, spurring even more massive explosions. Amid the turmoil, our little solar system will be flung into the voids of space, or driven into the black hole's jaws.
In the process of merging, there will be a very strong starburst event occurring at the time of the merger, as all of the gas is being funneled and towards the center, as well as the two black holes that are likely to merge will also swallow a lot of this gas. So the black hole in our own Milky Way will ignite, emitting so much energy that all of the gas around it will again be blown away in this very substantial wind, in very substantial outflow.
The Milky Way will be destroyed. But what about the black hole at the center? It will merge with Andromeda's. Stars and galaxies may come and go, but supermassive black holes just keep getting bigger. Once considered freaks of the cosmos, black holes may simply be the workings of a restless universe.
As we forge ahead in trying to understand how we came into being and how all of the matter got put down in the universe, we can't leave black holes out of the picture because it seems they play a fundamental role on very, very large scales.
Black holes not only actively shape the landscape in which they're embedded, they wreak havoc upon it. Throw in a hungry beast in the middle of it all, and it distorts the gas clouds. It flings stars hither and yon. It creates energy fields that would fry any life in its vicinity. That kind of makes the center of galaxies interesting places. Black holes are kind of the spice of the universe.
They're a major player in the evolution of the things that light up our night sky. Even though we can't see them, they are in a sense the secret shadows behind the walls of the galaxies.
Scientists today are bringing us closer to a shadowy presence that long ago erupted across our galaxy and shaped the universe we know. For the moment, the monster is resting quietly. But how long will we have to wait for it to rise again?